Greetings, my people. Greetings to all. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It depends where you are watching from. Today, I am back online. Mirror African Television is live again on YouTube. So, let me share the links so that our people will be able to get in to follow us on today's edition. So, today's question is this. Do you think that Nigeria will release Biafra without a fight? Do you believe in such news? Do you think that Nigeria doesn't value the Biafran investment that will make them to hand it over so easily? Or do you think that we have the mechanism to disarm and avoid war in terms of actualizing Biafra? And another question, what is holding you back from joining the struggle? In my midst today, I have a brother. He would like to air his own view whether Nigeria will be able to hand over Biafra without a fight. My brother, you are welcome to the show. Thank you. So the topic of today, what do you think about it? If Nigeria will be able to hand over the Biafran country to the people, that they should go just like that. Is there any possibility in such a thing? So our viewers, you have free option to air your view. Either you accept to what our guest is saying today, or you disagree from what he's saying. You may call in with your WhatsApp app, Signal, Viber call, Skype, or via numbers, the telephone number. So, as he just mentioned, now we got to prepare. For my own view, I know that the type of investment, the large investment that these guys have in Eastern region will never allow them to give up that particular part of the country just like that without a fight. I do believe before that there will be no fight. But there are other Biafran groups that took Nigeria to court. Up to date, there is nothing. No good news. Nothing is coming out from that court, so-called court of Nigeria. Even though the lawyer, the barrister himself, made it clear, he's not even expecting to get something tangible from that Nigerian court, but he's following what they call due process. But in Nnamdi Kanu part of agitation, he's projecting that if Nigeria doesn't give the Biafrans the date for referendum, that they will boycott the Anambra State election. And you know that after Anambra State comes another state in Eastern region. If they keep on boycotting election, and the president has one power, if the number of the people that are supposed to participate in election is not up to, he has now the right to call in a military lieutenant to govern the states. My brother, what do you think? Should we then live under military dictatorship in Eastern region? Blockade. My brother, there is also some information that is coming in from Anambra State. Um, the new political party called UPP is where the Anambra people are trying to rely now by saying they want to use UPP to push in a real Biafran, called Biafran, to power. That boycotting this thing will make this position to fall into a wrong hand. Do you believe in this their concussion? But do you want to tell me that the lawyers and the politicians doesn't know this thing you are quoting now, and they are still promising the people that they will do it for them? Okay. Yeah. Okay. But if these politicians in Eastern region knows all these things, why then just support this secession, this divide? Okay. Yes. Okay. My people, I made it open for all to call in to air your view. But as you people are just listening and nobody want to participate, we will not be the only people that will keep on talking. Um, we have tried to lecture you people that they need every Easterner need to back the Biafran agitation. You hear this our brother talking about the positions that's supposed to make our people and our place greater again is just put in exclusive list, and our politicians cannot do anything. They cannot change it, they cannot improve our area. For me, the best thing is to do what? To support the pulling out of that nation. Is that not so, my brother? We should join hand and support Nnamdi Kanu. Is that what you think? The best move. Hello? Are you there? So you are in support that all Easterner should join, even those that are calling themselves that they are not Biafrans. that they are Biafrans and they should put their hands together and their hearts together to make sure that we get things that belongs to us, our freedom. So, my fellow viewers, today I will tell you thank you for watching, and also our guest on the show today, my brother, God bless you. You have tried to iron out time to educate our people a little. Tomorrow will be another day. Okay. Tomorrow will be another day. We will have another show, another topic on a different ground. As from now on, every day will not be politics. Every day will not be reality show. A lot of things will be added this time around. We are looking for people that will use our platform to make videos around the world, make interviews, and we will be able to televise it on our platform. God bless you and remain blessed. For now, we'll meet us again tomorrow. God bless you. Bye-bye for now.